find some crappie and some bass. I've been here since early summer. I don't even know, 3 or 4 months. So we're gonna cruise around. I got my new graph. I think I'll find some suspended fish out there. Just wanna catch some fish. So first trip at the Lagoon. Wow. See you on the way. We got our favorite little spoon here. Got one. Crappie time, baby. That bad boy. Got some crappie. It's a beautiful one. He's out. All right, that didn't take long. First crappie of the fall winter season out here. I want to say first crappie of the year, but I caught a ton earlier this year. But those guys are fun. And see if we can find the school again, actually. I love catching these guys. A little boondock jig action. See a ton of bait out there. Look at that deep crank. Slabby slab. Shallow. Ooh, it's a nice one. That's a big dog. That's a big dog. That's a big dog. Crappie time. All right. Later. Oh, Mr. Bass. Mr. Bass. Mr. Bass chased it. Yeah. Little bass chaser. All right, my dude. Little bass chaser. Yep. All right, let me check in real quick. Got some schools moving around over here. Just dropping down, a little spoon. Got that crappie, and then got that bass just shot up and chased that spoon up. So it's fun. Haven't done this in a while. Keep throwing the spoon. Yeah, baby. Another slab. Whew. Yee, son. Nice one. Ooh, these suckers are moving around all over the place. Got bass, crappie, everything. Just cruising, actually. Not even that deep. Just moving all over, looking for a bait is what it is. Those bait schools are all little patches here and there. That's what they're looking for. So just dropping that spoon on them. Another one. It's a little guy, I think. No, maybe not. Yeah, little guy. Whee! 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 Little crappie on. Little crappie on. That's a nice one. Yeah, let's go. It's a bass, probably a bass. Feels heavy. Or I'm like foul hooked on a crappie. Yeah, foul hooked on a crappie. I was like, feel heavy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, baby. Get that down. Ooh, these crappie are fired up. I'm loving it. Early fall. Love this bite. It's just gonna get better and better. They're gonna school up more, but we're finding them. All right. There's a bass. No, it's a freaking nice crappie on this Swimbait. Yeah, baby. Let's go. That's a nice one. Woo! Check it out. Nice one on the Swimbait. Heck yeah. Woo! Swimbait. So fatty. So fatty. Yeah, baby. Blind guy. Peace out. Oh, yeah, that's a beauty. That's a beauty. Oh man, I got close to 2 pounds probably. Dang, boy. Swimbait. Yeah. Cut back. Another one on the Swimbait. Little guy. Man, they love this thing. I love that Castaic. Later. Be a bass, man. It's a crappie. It's a nice one though. Oh, big dog. Ah, big dog. Suckers are big. Let's go. Big old crappie on the swim bait. I love it. On the fall. Yeesh. Big dog. They love the swim bait, dude. It's so cool. Ooh, that was fun. That's kind of what I was hoping for. Obviously, love to catch some big bass, but I love catching those crappie here. And that was a fun bite. They were schooled up in a few different places, just chasing. And they love that little swim bait, the spoon. They're fired up today. All of them got released good. They weren't blowing up really at all. So it's cool. Might keep a few though coming up. Those things are good, but yeah. It's feeling like winter little by little. But thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Peace out.